So a beautiful staghorn here. Life with Larry. Let's see what Terry's up to today. Hey, Terry.
Hey.
What's today's project?
So today's project is I got to get this plant planted. This is an old pot that we're going to recycle. It's broken. It's got a broken handle, but that's okay because it's in the back of the yard, and all I want is to have a little pop of color, and this is a very shady area. So we strategically plant plants in places where it's going to fill holes from the neighbors and give us a little spot of color. So this is a peace lily that is overgrown. Peace lilies are one of my favorite. They love the shade. This one's blooming right now, and I'm going to put it in this pot. So it's a pretty good sized pot for this area. So what I normally do is I fill them with bottles. So I have a collection of water bottles that I'm going to put in the bottom, and that will help take up some of the space. It'll help water drain out, and it'll help fill the bottom of that pot. So here is some dirt that I have. This is our compost mixed with some vermiculite. It's good to help with the moisture and good for the plants. So I'm going to put that in. Okay. And that will fill up down there. And let me get a little bit more. This is a compost that it's our newest. It's not broken down as much, but that's okay. You're going to see eggshells, pieces of dead leaves. So I'm going to get this plant out of the pot.
How many plants do you think you can get out of there?
Oh, this plant can be divided up into many. And it's overgrown.
That's root bound, isn't it?
It is. So we're going to take off these old leaves. And see, this can be broken up into a bunch of different plants. And we've done that over on the side of the yard. I did that last year. We took a pot like this and we divided it up and put it all in different little clumps around. So this one I'm going to put in here. Cut off these dead pieces, these dead leaves. And before you know it, this is going to be a beautiful spot back in the shade. I'll just get a little more dirt and top it off. But that is a peace lily and one of my favorites. Surround yourself with the things you love. Like us and subscribe us, please.